I'm Shauna Rappaport here at GreenBiz 16, and I'm joined by Mike Van Brunt, who's the Director of Sustainability for Covanta. Welcome, Mike.
Great, thank you, Shauna. Happy to be here.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about what is Covanta, what are you up to, and what is your role specifically as the Director of Sustainability?
Sure, so Covanta, our base business is we operate energy from waste facilities, predominantly in North America, but we also operate facilities globally. And we're currently actually globally constructing a facility in Dublin, Ireland right now. But what these facilities do is they take municipal solid waste or commercial waste that's left over after recycling efforts and generate clean, renewable electricity from that.
That's great. So we've been talking a lot about waste in the context particularly of circular economy the last couple of days. This is a huge issue and certainly an opportunity as well. Why do you think, particularly in the U.S., we're so behind?
Well, I think there's a few factors. I think there's pockets where we're doing very well in the U.S., but overall the U.S. Doesn't quite have the same policy focus on waste management issues as, say, they do in the European Union. The European Union has taken a very proactive approach over the past, even decade or more, and really focused on driving waste out of landfills through a series of policy directives that the European Commission has issued into things like recycling, composting, and energy recovery. And so you see countries now like Germany and Austria which have recycling rates of 65% or more and largely recover energy from what's remaining afterwards.
So how is Covanta rethinking waste more broadly? What are some of the solutions that you all are offering to help make this transition?
Sure. So our base business is recovering energy from waste, so that's a great solution for a lot of our municipal partners as well as a lot of our commercial and industrial waste partners. There's a lot of companies now moving toward zero waste to landfill, for example, and doing an excellent job at pulling waste out of their waste stream, sending it to recycling, finding reuse opportunities, and then they'll use energy recovery for the small amount that's left over so they can pull all of their waste out of landfills. And they found that they can achieve sustainability goals of greenhouse gas reduction and also just better and more sustainable waste management policy. So that's a big piece of it. We're also really pleased to be able to offer some new solutions. So we've recently offered it's Unwrap, which is a new solution where we'll actually be able to take packaged goods and extract the material that's inside of them from the containers. And in doing so, we may be able to develop reuse opportunities for the liquid that might be inside of a plastic bottle. So that's been a great achievement and sort of a great new focus for us.
Imagine it's 4 years from now, we meet back for GreenBiz 2020. What does success look like, both for Covanta, but also really the change that you're working to accelerate across industry as we think more holistically about this stuff?
Oh, that's a really good question. I mean, I think what we would like to see, we even set sustainability goals in our most recent sustainability report around this, and looking at increasing the amount of waste that we manage either directly or on behalf of our clients that's moved up the waste hierarchy. So, great. Let's keep recovering energy from waste materials, but at the same time, let's start moving toward more reuse and recycling. And moving some of those solutions as well. So we're real pleased to be able to offer a suite of solutions, and I think that's what we'd love to see in 2020 is just more of that same forward direction.
Well, I look forward to seeing you back here then and getting to tell that story. Mike from Covanta, thank you so much for being with us.